Well, welcome to the Great Boil Frog Hunt of 2024. Got two pretty excited little boys, a little white dog, and two big pink buckets that they're hoping to fill with frogs. The last couple of years has been a pretty muddy and hilarious adventure in frog hunting. So hope you enjoy the video. Please do give it a thumbs up and watch all the way to the end. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Well, we saw our first frog.
Oh. Where am I?
Is the water cold? Be very, very quiet. We're going to hunt frogs. Hello. That would be nice, wouldn't it?
I see a railway back. Lily pads float on water through it. Yeah. Tell him I think.
I think they're gonna have to be more quiet than that to catch frogs. Well, they weren't having any luck with the frogs, so we got some new recruits. The neighbor boys come over.
I don't want to go. Mama, I'm looking up a hill. Right here? All the way up the side. And I'm only 6. Yeah, he's 6 too. Tony's 7. I'm 9 turning 10. I got my stuff. Catch the frog. Oh, you have to be quick. Oh, and don't have to know it. I fell in the splashes. You fell again? You were like, guess what? Know how I got? I was like wet on my t-shirt. Can you hold this? This is how I got wet on my t-shirt. Oh my goodness. I keep falling over.
Plenty of good frog hunting directions there. I keep telling them if they're not quiet, they're not gonna catch any frogs. They'll have a ball. Aren't they cute? The two older boys joined up and the two younger boys joined up. And the older two are talking about video games instead of frog hunting. They're trading usernames so they can play video games together. There's a little frog hunter. There's another one. Looking for frogs. old-fashioned fun. Our wetland is designed to help hold back water, let it slowly drain out, so that will reduce the possibility of Iowa City flooding. Johnson County did a bunch of projects like this one to help hold water back so it wouldn't rush so fast through the creeks to flood Iowa City. That sure is pretty. And the kids love it. And now the grass fights begin. I let them splash and throw mud and all those boy things to do. I figured they'll figure it out. Not many rules here in Grandma's little wetland. So fun just to watch them play. So these boys are 4, 2 6-year-olds, and a 10-year-old. Great time for a frog hunt. And when my granddaughter's with us, she loves to frog hunt too. She's right in there with them. Clara, if you're watching, I wish you were here. Hope to see you soon. Hey, coming out?
I'm not being in there anymore.
Okay. A very brave frog was just croaking over there. He's about to get visited by some little boys. Stay tuned to the end for the great mulberry hunt and to watch the boys do the Fortnight dance. That grass and the mud that it's in is stinky. The bigger boys have an advantage in the throwing of grass and mud. Throwing them back and forth. Gus, how you doing, buddy? There he is. There's my little dog.
Holy crap!
I think they're done, but they got to go get the buckets. I'm glad he knew where that one was. That one would have been hard to find. It was completely sunk.
I found one! I found one! Hey, what? A chocolate! And I found one!
No frogs were harmed,
And he's got
caught,
a mud
seen,
head.
touched in this video.
There's the buckets.
I am everywhere.
With the big boys. Got the buckets.
Driving.
Thanks for getting the buckets.
Wait, Gus is driving. Gus is driving.
Here comes Henry.
Gus is driving. Have you guys done this before?
Yep.
Wait, did you grab my house?
Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Did you have fun frog hunting?
Yeah.
How many frogs did you catch?
I caught one, but it fell out of the bucket.
Aw.
I got so much that it fell out of the bucket. Zero. Oh, my mom's got zero.
So now we're gonna go see if we can find some mulberries. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, everybody. Bye.
My brothers, comment down below if you play Fortnite. Yeah, bye, Sam.
Bye.
So now we're picking mulberries out of the back of the four-wheeler. Our acreage and the road back into our places. Got a lot of mulberry trees. They're pretty good.
Good. Yeah, I tried one. Is that this one? Oh, that's the green one. I don't know. I'm not using that. I using that. Oh, see? Can I try red ones? Are the red ones good to eat?
The red ones are still a little bit sour. You can still eat them, but they're not as sweet as the other
I love
mulberries.
sour stuff. Are they hard? Like, are these good?
And now the dirty kids are on to squirt guns. Yep. Super soakers. And the sprinkler. That's one way to get all that pond scum and frog juice off those kids. They're kind of self-washing. Yeah. And after they're done, we've got homemade ice cream. Yay! They're trying to get me wet. Told them I wasn't playing. I guess everybody's playing. Woohoo! Big squirts. Oh, get them dirty, rinse them off, or let them rinse themselves off. I don't want to get wet. Better not get my phone wet. I won't be very happy. Silly kids.
Thanks for watching, everybody. From Beth Boyle, Iowa Trail Rider.